Hey up your beauties, Ivana here once again, and for those of you who don't know me, you can find me on Instagram as Ivana's MKUP. But today we're here for a little eyebrows 101, and I'm gonna show you the difference between our eyebrow pencil and our eyebrow gel. So if you wanna know what would be easier for you to use or what suits you best, just keep watching. So let's get in with my personal favorite, which is our semi-permanent eyebrow gel. And I've been using these for a little bit over a year now. And I love them. Like, I absolutely love them. And I have it in two shades. I stick to these. I have dark brown and dark blonde. And the reason why I have two is because it kind of depends on what I'm looking for that day. If I want like a natural look or I want like a bolder look. It really depends on what my makeup is gonna look. So I'm gonna be using both today just so you guys see how they both look on the skin. I'll use the darker shade here towards the back and then the lighter shade towards the front of the eyebrow. So I was gonna go in with pencil so you guys could see what it looks like side by side, but since this eyebrow is so bold, I want to do a very natural gel look with this eyebrow using the dark blonde shade. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna do all pencil. So I prefer personally this eyebrow for like an everyday look, and then this would be more of like a full face kind of brow. But I'm kind of like living for both. I don't know, I love them. So like I said before, I started using these, to be specific, October 2019. I lived in Miami, so humidity is over the roof. Ultra knows what they're doing because they're gonna last you all day, no problem. It's also waterproof, so for my ladies and gentlemen that tend to get a little bit sweaty, you won't have to worry about that. And also if one day you're walking down the street and it starts to rain, you don't have to worry about your eyebrows disappearing. So now we're gonna go in with our universal eyebrow pencil, and this is gonna flatter any brow tone, which I love. And some people find it difficult to work with gel, so we also have this other option. So I absolutely love it because it's just a quick on-the-go tool for those who love just like a natural brow, and it's easy to work with. So this was my natural brow with the semi-permanent eyebrow gel in the shade dark blonde. So now to, you know, keep that same natural look, I'm gonna use our universal brow on this eyebrow. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna do my face real quick so you guys see what it looks like with like an everyday natural makeup, and I'll be right back. Here it is, you guys. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Woo, I'm never getting over it. And of course, if you like, you can always like clean it up a little bit with concealer. I don't like doing that anymore. I feel like it looks way more natural like this, but it's really up to you and what look you're going for. I think we're done. I loved recording this video because I'm such a huge eyebrow fan. Don't forget you can use code Ivana to get some money off your next purchase. Huge thank you to Oprah for having me. It's always such a huge honor to be here. I'll see you guys in the next one.